LGUs na may mga kaso ng COVID. Na parang yung information kasi.
Ang suggestion ko is for DILG and the Commission on Audit to recognize the coronavirus scare, epidemic, as a ground to enable the LGUs to declare a local state of calamity. Yun ang proposal ko as chair of the Committee on Local Government. Enable our LGUs to declare a local state of calamity as warranted depending on the number of positives. Yung positive na tao. So, sila na yun. And with that, it would unleash the utilization of calamity funds that would enable them to set up the appropriate medical emergency mechanisms to deal with the situation.
So hindi ba sila empowered to do that under the declaration of public health emergency?
Sa ngayon, ang mga emergencies natin, bagyo,
Yung declaration ni President nationwide na public health emergency, wala pa silang power.
the President can declare a national state of calamity. Pero wala pa naman na-declare na state of calamity. A state of national emergency is different from a state of calamity.
So ibang funds yung pwedeng ma-access kapag may localized.
Yes.
Sir, pero they cannot do it preemptively. Meaning, kunwari, may one or two cases lang for a particular city in Metro Manila. They cannot do that pa o kailangan sa certain level of...
Yeah, siguro yun yung sinasabi ko, ilan yung positive, siguro kung hundreds na sa isang barangay o sa isang municipality, alarming na yan. So, kailangan ma-mobilize na yung facilities, etc.
So, they can do that if just COA gives them the go signal.
The ILG siguro, recognized by
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.